welcome back. I recently learned about factors and thought of building a program that could figure out all factors of any number. 1 and the number itself are always factors of any given number. For example, 1 and 7 are factors of 7. In JavaScript, there is an operator called mod. It is represented as percentage sign. What it does is give you back the remainder of any division problem. For example, 12 mod 5 is equal to 2. Why 2? Because 5 divided by 2, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, and 12 minus 10 is 2. So 2 became the remainder. That's why 12 mod 5 is equal to 2. So now we have the 2 remainder. So the condition of the remainder is 0. If it's a factor, then like if you divide like 2 and 12, there will be 0. 12 mod 2 will be equal to 0 because 12 multiplied by 6 is 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. It makes sense. So let's start building. So I already typed the code in Notepad like last time to save time. So here is it. Here's our Notepad. So let's first get out our input again. But this time, you might have noticed that last time the type was text. Text is like, let me show you. Come on. If I do text here, so if I do this, then I can write any number. But if it's number, then it can only be numbers, no letters, just numbers, like that. So this is our input box again. So I don't think I have to tell you all of this, but still I'll just show you. I'll just tell you about it. So this is a button. I'll show you the button. Here's a button. If we press it, then it'll start the JS, which is, tell about it later. Now BR would be a spacing. Like if we write 10 here, it'll give 10 factors, and then if we give another number, suppose 2, that'll give 2 factors below it, 2 lines. That's how you want to do it, and it'll present it in the label, which will be over here. So we're done with this. We can start the function. Yeah, our JavaScript is function. Okay, let's get our whole function. So now have you noticed that the button's on click is find factors and the function's name is find factors? Why? Because if you press the button, then we want find factors to work. Like find factors is the function, so it'll turn on the function. This is our whole function. Now let's I have to just teach you this stuff. So the var number, this is connected with the input. So the input, when press the button, will be sent to the number. Got that? Yeah. Now you have integer. So when the number comes in here, then it's a string. So this integer is turning this into a number. See? Now we're going to learn something new. We're going to learn a for loop. So it's going to repeat this a number of times. So there's a variable var I is equal to 1. Then I will run till loop count. I'll tell you what loop count is, and then I++. So what does this mean? That the for loop, it sees that var I is equal to 1. So integer, which is the number, mod I is 1. If it's equal to 0, that is a factor. So it does this till half of the number. So how do we know this is a number? So we have a loop count over here. That's turning the integer, which is the number, into dividing it by 2. So if I write 24, if I press the button, it'll turn it into a number. It'll divide it by 2, and it'll start the for loop. So it's 24. The half of it is 12. So it'll do integer mod 12. That's when it will start. And then it'll give the output and send it to the label. Let's see how this works. Hey, oh yeah, I didn't run it yet. I think it should work now. Now it should work. And factors. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. And then we can say 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Yeah, I'm correct. So this is all for today. And subscribe to the channel. Bye.